everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here to make you hungry again. This is What's for Dinner number 21. After I've compiled several different meals, I'm ready to share again. This is what we've had for dinner past little bit. So let's just jump right in. The first meal I have to share with you is the one pot cheesy taco rice, which was delicious, by the way, and I do have an in the kitchen recipe on that, which brings me to the next thing I'm going to say. That link will be in the cards as well as in the description box, as well as all the other What's for Dinners, all that fun jazz will be in the description box and the cards. I eat this with Taco Bell style refried beans, like Copycat, and in a burrito style form, but you can also eat this like in a taco salad. There's multiple ways you could eat the one pot cheesy taco rice, but it was delicious. Next up here is Mississippi chicken with green beans and homemade mashed potatoes. The Mississippi chicken is a huge hit in my household and everyone loves it. We have it often now. The chicken is absolutely delicious. Honestly, I love the Mississippi roast, but I think that myself and my household love the chicken a bit more. Next up, I have the honey glazed garlic beef tips with broccoli and beef rice. This is like a beef, broccoli, and rice bowl Copycat recipe, and it's so delicious. I like to mix mine all up in the picture you'll see. It was fantastic, and I've made this a couple of times for my family and we all love it. And I do have a recent recipe on this as well, so definitely check that out. I just want to mention this briefly, but we ate at a couple restaurants when we went on vacation in Tennessee. We went to Gatlinburg, and in Gatlinburg we eat at the Slice, which is located at the Space Needle there, and the pizza is absolutely massive. Thin crust, super delicious. The pizza, is so large. Like 2 pieces take up an entire large size pizza box. I think it was like $7 a slice, something like that, but totally worth stopping in there and having a quick bite. It's also, there's an arcade in there. You can travel to the top of the Space Needle. I'm afraid of heights, so we did not do that. So I just want to throw that out there. We also eat at this restaurant called the Best Italian. My goodness, highly recommend stopping there and trying the garlic knots. We got a pizza and one of their world's best burgers. Absolutely delicious. 10 out of 10. Recommend. When I go back to Tennessee, we'll be eating there again. Next up here, I have barbecue ribs, homemade mashed potatoes, peas, and macaroni and cheese. As always, this is like a staple meal. Love barbecue ribs. Love making them in the crock pot. Super easy. They always come out so good and tender. Love spaghetti as well. So we had spaghetti and garlic bread one night. So good. My favorite spaghetti sauce to use is Prego meat flavored. Love that one. On this night, I made chicken casserole, green beans, and whole potatoes with a side of toast. Kind of like a comfort kind of meal. This was my papa's favorite meal that I made him. I just kind of got to thinking about that, and it was coming up on a year of him being gone, and I made it, and it's so delicious. It's so good. I do a lot of quick little meals sometimes, especially in the summertime, and this is just a tuna salad. So tuna, mayonnaise, boiled eggs, and it's on toast, and bread and butter pickles on the side. On this night, I wanted to have fried chicken, so I whipped up some fried chicken, and I had a side salad, which is just some lettuce, some tomato, a few croutons, and some cheese. And I topped it with ranch dressing, which is my favorite salad dressing. Taco salad. This is the taco salad all mixed up together. So the taco meat, taco sauce, some Doritos, lettuce, cheese, tomato, and some sour cream. On this night, I made some seasoned chicken in the crock pot, and I have some mixed veggies on the side, as well as some roasted sweet potato. And that was the first time I ever roasted sweet potato in the oven, and it was so good. On this night, we had homemade potato wedges, which I still have an upcoming in the kitchen video on that, so stay tuned, and homemade barbecue. On this night, we did a kind of cookout thing, grilled burgers out, had some beans, and I made some deviled eggs, meatloaf, peas, a roll, and homemade mashed potatoes. This was also delicious. We just kind of wanted some meatloaf. 4th of July, kind of like cookout thing we did. Just us. This is the leftovers, but we grilled out. So the hot dogs, yeah, one side got a little crispy, but that's okay. And hamburgers. Those are Dr. Pepper baked beans, which are delicious, by the way, and I'll just throw them right in the can onto the grill. Shake and baked chicken, thick and creamy macaronis, and these are cheddar sour cream instant potatoes this night because I didn't feel like doing the homemade potatoes, but equally delicious. And the last and final meal I have to share with you today is green beans, homemade mashed potatoes, a roll, and Mississippi roast. Oh, so delicious. I love the Mississippi recipes. They're good. I highly recommend trying them if you haven't. I hope you enjoyed today's What's for Dinner. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional in the kitchen links. Thank you so very much for watching.